If you've ever wanted to step into the world of La Cornue, the CornuFé range is the perfect place to start. It blends power and personality, giving you that premium cooking experience without going fully custom. With features like a convection oven, high-performance burners or induction, and a wide range of beautiful color and finish options, it's designed to impress both visually and in the kitchen. And today, we'll be taking an in-depth look at CornuFé to see if this might be the range for you. Let's briefly go over some of the series-wide features of the CornuFé ranges. You will have two options to choose from, either an induction or a dual fuel range, and two sizes to choose from, that being a 36-inch wide or 43-inch wide range. You will have access to 11 colorful finishes like ocean, winter sky, morning dew, tapestry, and more. In combination to color, you will have 3 trim accent options as well. From right to left, you will have satin chrome, polished brass, and lastly, polished chrome. All the ovens feature a soft close oven door to prevent any slamming. When it comes to installation and setup, a built-in island trim is standard. There are no exposed back guards, keeping a clean and polished look. If you look towards the bottom of the range, you'll see the integrated storage drawers as well. All dual fuel models include automatic ignition. This ensures flame safety failure in case it's extinguished. All this takes place under robust enamel burner caps. For all your oven features, there are fully programmable oven timers with delayed start and end. Now let's see an example. Here we have the CornuFé 90, designed especially for the US market. The single oven Albertine range is the baby to the Cornue family, which has a dual fuel and induction option. The left hand of this image depicts the dual fuel. The most powerful burner tops out at 17,500, while the lowest is 6,000, which is perfect for simmering. If we look to the right, we see the induction. Expect all the power and control with their induction, as there is more than enough power and balance for whatever you decide to cook. There's also a bridging function where you can combine a front and back burner together. The CornuFé 90 features a single large 3.81 cubic foot electric oven with 7 cooking modes. You'll have 2 convection fans with 8 heating elements, a wire rack and 1 telescopic rack with the dual fuel model that slides easily in and out, and 2 telescopic racks in the induction model. If we go for the 43-inch CornuFé 110, the gas burners top out at 17,500 BTUs, and you also have 3 grate burners all at 12,000 BTUs, and for the induction, you will have the same power, control, and balance that you do with the induction. Both have 5 cooking zones to choose from, which allows a lot of space between burners for a large-shaped cookware. The 110 gives you 2 fully electric ovens, perfect for baking. Left oven is 2.2 cubic feet and the right is 2.39, that come with 4 racks in total. Next, let's talk about installation of the CornuFé ranges. Planning and location are key. They are designed for built-in or freestanding installation. The leg height is adjustable to accommodate countertop height up to 1 inch. This is going to ensure a seamless finish with the range when it meets the top of the counter. And important that the dual fuel range models do ship natural gas ready. All models require an electrical requirement of 240 volts. The dual fuel ranges are hardwired and need 30 amps on a dedicated circuit. However, the induction ranges are hardwired and need 50 amps on their own dedicated circuit. Ensure that you have an electrician come by and make sure you have enough on your panel for space and safety reasons. If you are currently specifying CornuFé ranges or are in the market for one, these are the basic height, width, and depth measurements. Planning is the most important part of any remodel or replacement, so if you need to pause the video here to take a photo, I encourage you to do so. CornuFé ranges have some great cooking accessories like the French Plaque. Made of hand-cast aluminum, it provides a large flat surface for indirect heat, perfect for simmering and slow cooking. Heat is distributed from the center where it is the hottest, while the edges are cooler. And the griddle is made of a coated cast aluminum that features a half grill and half griddle. It's perfect for indoor grilling and fits perfectly over the left 2 burners on the 90 and the 110. Who is the target buyer for someone interested in these beautiful ranges? It could be somebody design-driven, like a homeowner seeking a range that blends daily functionality with unmistakable handcrafted luxury. Clients upgrading their forever kitchen who want a true statement piece without full customization lead times. Or high-end buyers deciding between appliance performance and visual presence and looking to have both. Objections and questions are a natural part of the appliance buying process, Some common questions when researching CornuFe ranges could be, this range feels more expensive than other dual fuel ranges. Because it is. With this brand, you're just not buying a spec sheet. You're buying decades of craftsmanship, design heritage, and a range that's built with different philosophies than most mass market appliances. Is this more about looks than cooking? Not at all. The design is beautiful, but it's rooted in real European cooking. Things like multifunction convection ovens, precise temperature control, and flexible cooktops that are designed to handle everything from delicate simmering to high heat searing. Will it be hard to maintain or service? It installs and services just like any other premium US range. There's established support, standard installation requirements, and you don't need any special infrastructure to own or maintain it. It all comes down to having the right mindset when thinking and talking about La Cornue and the CornuFe ranges. CornuFe delivers both timeless design and a real performance in one decision. CornuFe models are all pre-configured and ready for installation. No extra planning is required. And the most accessible way to own a piece of La Cornue's legacy with the same French artistry found in Chateau and built for real-world kitchens, standard installation, and no special cabinetry and practical fuel options.